Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
So I plan to put Quran audio in my car. Basically, the audio will have a reciter recite few verses in Arabic, and then a guy will say the Urdu translation. The problem is that the Urdu translator reads the Deobandi translation, as most of the Urdu translating audios are made by Deobandis. So can I use it?
The answer is no. It is not permissible for you to listen to a translation of the meanings of the Noble Quran that does not coincide with Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah. Because we know that these people follow the Ash'ari Maturidi Aqidah, and they manipulate and disregard Allah's beautiful attributes except for 7. But all other attributes, they change the meaning and misinterpret it and simulate it differently to what the Prophet ﷺ and his companions had taught us. So no, you should not listen to that. Look for some other tafsir or translation that is according to Ahl Sunnati wal Jama'ah. Sahih International in English. I think they may have a copy in Urdu. I don't know about that. You have to look into it.
May Allah bless you, Sheikh.
And you as well. What can I do for you?
So Sheikh, my question is, I wanted to know what is the Islamic opinion regarding wearing watches with gold in the internal composition in certain materials, because I know that the Prophet ﷺ had prohibited gold for men, but what is because I know for Apple Watch, for example, there are gold inside them and this stuff like that. So I want to know the Islamic opinion.
First of all, it is prohibited for men to wear gold or silk. And this was mentioned in a hadith where the Prophet came out to his companions holding gold and silk in his hands and said, "These are haram for the men of my ummah, halal for the women." Secondly, it was stated that these mobile phones, the Apple Watch, the computers we have may contain components made of gold. Yes, maybe it's 0.001 gram, something that is not of importance, very negligible. And the scholars say that there is no problem in wearing such products that may contain such minute amount of gold when it's hidden and not seen. But for someone to wear a luxurious, expensive watch, a Rolex, for example, that has the dials in gold, that is totally prohibited and haram.